Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Make More Apps Dark option on Android 16. So the most common way how you can do that includes that you need to enable developer options. So on your device, let's go to Settings. Now let's go to About Phone section. And now you need to scroll to the very bottom until you see Build Number. And what you want to do is tap repeatedly on it like this very fast until you see a message on your screen that you are a developer. So now let's go back to Settings and tap System section. Now let's find here developer options, and as you can see here are plenty of them, so I will use the searching bar just to make it easier, and I want to find Override Force Dark. So I need to type here Override Force Dark feature. Now let's tap it and it will redirect me to this feature. So now you can turn it on. And yes, basically after this more applications become in dark mode because some applications could block dark themes, and specifically this feature can enable dark mode in such applications. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.